Hi guys, today I received these ceramic dinnerware sets for reviewing purposes, and I think they're really nice because they are handmade reactive glaze plates and bowls. And as you can see, they come really well protected with cardboard in the box. And we have 4 different serpes in a total of 12 pieces, which comes really well protected. We get 14 inches plates, 4 24 ounces food bowls, and 4 8.5 inches medium plates. As you can see, they are really beautiful, perfect for any occasion, and they have this really beautiful pearl white color. Something that I also like is that they are dishwasher safe, microwave safe, and even freezer safe. So let's go ahead and test them out. We're gonna eat some burger and fries, but well, as you can see, it's kind of cold, so we're gonna go ahead and heat it up. We're gonna place it into the microwave for a minute. After waiting, we can have a really delicious burger with a really nice plate. So overall, I like them a lot and I will really recommend them. See you guys.